Wow. Mountain lion coughing up a fur ball right in front of the camera. That's pretty interesting to see. Let me take you to the camera. It's right here. He was laying down right in front of this camera after he was chewing some grass right over here. Take you to the spot. This is the pathway the lions like to use when it gets really wet over there where the water's flowing now. He came right here, ate some of this grass right here, and then approached my camera and then coughed up a fur ball. It's pretty wild. I put this camera right here so it wouldn't get washed away again in this segment of the creek where the water is flowing. Lots of water since the rains in the last 2 weeks. So this was the first camera he stopped at, coughed up that fur ball. Then he continued in the creek, passing by about 3 other cameras. Check out the footage.